my name is Madison. I'm a board-certified nutrition specialist who uses functional medicine nutrition to help my clients feel their best. Today we're talking about nutrients for bone health, and we're making this awesome bone-building smoothie, so come join us. I'd like to do a brief overview on bone health, and then we'll go into some specific nutrients that directly affect bone health. So your bones are made of a substance called hydroxyapatite. It's a crystal-like substance, and this composes all of your bones. Your bones will grow and strengthen up until about 30 to 35 years of age, and that's the age where you reach your peak bone mass, and then bone mass will slowly decrease for the rest of our lives. So one of the biggest factors affecting our bone health is our diet. Sex also affects with our yogurt. As we discussed, calcium is best absorbed via dairy sources. And then you can just check the label. This serving size is 3/4 of a cup, and in that there is 200 milligrams of calcium, which is 15% of your daily value. So if you're trying to get 1,200 a day, 3/4 of a cup will get you 200 milligrams of the way there. So we will add 3/4 of a cup of our yogurt. This is also an awesome source of protein, which we talked about that being really important. Okay, and this will also help to stabilize our blood sugar as well. Okay, bananas and avocados have lots of potassium. And these are quite small bananas, so I am going to add the whole thing. I can just break this up a little bit.